glad you enjoyed our time together. I brought this in so we could talk about it. What is that? What is that thing? Okay, let's put the sweet potato back up. Thank you for communicating. What am I doing that for? Well, you wouldn't talk to me, so I had to put it back up. I didn't want to walk around with a sweet potato in my hand. Well, now would you like to talk to me? What is your name? Okay, I'm glad you want to talk to me now. Okay, I'm glad you want to talk to me now. I brought you a napkin since you're so sneezy. I didn't know spirits sneezed. That was a very good one. You can have that napkin. Wipe your nose with. Would you like to tell me your name? Are you a male or female? Okay, I hope the napkin was helpful. I'll throw it away now, okay?